Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Aaron here coming at you with a few quick little updates. So, been outside working on the truck a little bit, got some new parts in. Actually ordered some lights. I wanted to change up the cap lights, the headlights, and the fog lights on the truck. They weren't that great anyways, so I said, hey, let's go ahead and upgrade them to LED or whatever. Well, thought I ordered LED headlights for the fog lights. Ended up I got HID headlights, but that is fine for the fog lights. They do look nice, and I do believe it's LED cab lights. And I ordered LED headlights, but they're not in yet. So I got that installed. I was going to record, but it's freaking cold outside. It is 11 degrees. Hence why I'm in the big coat. The boggin got it going on. Absolutely freezing. I wasn't about to try to get the camera and take my time out there and freeze my fingers off. So anyways, I'll just kind of give you guys a little run through of it and let you guys check it out. Flip the camera around. You see the tarp up there. That's actually because I don't have an insulated garage door. And surprisingly, that bad boy helps keep this garage much warmer. It's actually 40 degrees in here according to my Camaro's temperature. And outside it's 11 degrees. Okay, so 29 degrees difference just between here and out there with the help of that. And of course my garage does not have any heat to it. You can probably hear my laundry room in there. Got the dryer going on right now. And it actually does have heat to it, but we keep the door closed. There's no heat out here in the garage. No insulated garage door or extra insulation, concrete floor. Just that mess going on. So we'll poke out here. Got a little bit of snowflakes going on. Freezing. Out here doing this for you guys, so hit a like on the video just for that. Dig out my keys. I apologize, the lighting is not very good out here for you. Flip that on. Pull that out for the fog lights. Alright, let's see what she looks like. Alright, you can see them cab lights looking mighty fine up there. Much better than the amber ones. Got those on eBay. They were like $17 for the smoked kit as well as the lights, the light bulbs. There's the ugly yellow factory ones that'll be replaced. And as you can see down here, look how bright them puppies are. Them jokers are bright. Perfect. Installation was a breeze on that. No issues whatsoever. When you look at that and then look at the headlights, it's just unreal, the difference. Looking at the garage door there, you can tell the difference. I'm quite close. When it's far off that, it really does shed some light on some things. Right. Man, it is freezing. Pretty sure temperature keeps dropping, but guys, that was it. Update on the truck for now anyways. Freaking cold. Ain't nobody want to do anything on vehicles outside when it's cold, but we do anyways, just because I don't know why actually, just because we do it. Car guy thing. Alright. Okay, and as you can see in here, we got the Camaro ZL1 hanging out. And you might say, dang, that is shiny, look at that. Well, that's because in the terms of Greg A., this bad Larry. By the way, I don't know who this Larry guy is. Hope I never meet him because he sounds like a pretty bad dude. Anytime Greg talks about him, he's mentioning how bad he is. But besides the point, yes, this is a fresh wax job on the Camaro here. You can see it is perfect, shiny, absolutely beautiful. And the product that I use is Mother's Spray Wax. It's Speed Spray Wax. This stuff works very nicely. No issues with it. I did a little detail spray on it with some Speed Shine 5-minute detail spray. Alright. Did not clay bar it or anything like that. I need to do that this winter while it's in here, as well as pull the wheels off, clean the inner fender wells, and clean my brake calipers as well as my rim. I don't know if you can see, but they're filthy in there. Absolutely filthy. It's a mess. She's not been drove since, oh man, it's been a while. Like I said, here in Virginia, the weather's been pretty nasty, cold. They put salt on the road. This vehicle does not like salt. So I guess it's been about since Christmas, guys, since I drove it. Hanging out in the garage, waiting for some modifications. Just wanted to show you guys that quick little update, though. Have to excuse the garage, it's a mess. We'll try to clean that out. I'll probably actually try to paint the garage when it warms up a little bit. Some of you guys have asked, what are these lines on the ceiling here? As you can see, in black lines. Well, and that on the wall. The other Camaro that I had, the twin turbo one that I sold, I painted it in here. I had drop cloths going down, and that's just where some paint had collected at the top. I had it stapled to the top and taped to the floor, and that's just residue from that. But initially I was setting up my paint gun with the primer, and I had a big cardboard thing on the wall, and I was using it, and I was like, man, nothing's coming out. So I moved the cardboard just to spray a little bit on there, and nothing was coming out. So I thought, and then later when it ended up drying, I've got all these friggin' primer marks on there. But, you know, that's okay. It needed painted in here anyways. It's garage, so we'll take care of that at a later date. I believe that's all the updates I got. Got my cool little Harbor Freight tools hanging out. Yeah, that is it, guys. I recommend that wax, by the way. If any of you are interested in the lights, the LED or HID lights that I purchased, I can put the link in the description. I mean, pretty much they're all the same. Any eBay Chinese style light on there. I mean, they're anywhere from $10 to $30 up to a couple $100, depending on how much you want to pay. But I said, hey, let's try these $20 ones and see how they do. And I'm very impressed. They look nice. We'll see how long they last. You know, if they last a little while, then good. If not, then, you know, I tried $20 and might have to invest in a little more expensive set next time. But that's the video, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe. We'll get you some good content coming out this year. Thanks for watching.